Sampath Kumar, IAS Principal Secretary, Community and Rural Development Department, Jongka Sorkar Meghalaya, Kumukongsan, Mendaka Sngi, Ka Pratrek Uliber Arhajar Arpasan, Ulayo Pan Plie, Yaka R&CC, Ne Ka Rehabilitation and Counseling Center, Kabadan ha Sohkhyllam, Mawphor Southwest Khasi Hills District. Laban Kado Bakani ka R&CC, Kadai Kaway na kiying, ban pensa shipor na kabenta ki riew, ki belakerni how drugs, ban ki wede ki jingdi, bat ki beladan ke jingkwa ban kela, na kabasniu, shaka jinglong jingim babha. Yakani ka R&CC, latay haka jingmang pisa kaba san kundai lang, kabladan ru ka jingmang banbu hadu khat sangun ki riew, ki balangop ha ki jingdi basniu. Ki wede ki blayadon lang ki long uba ti Lyngba, IAS Deputy Commissioner Barim Jongka Southwest Khasi Hills District, uba B Jerwa MPS Superintendent Jong ki pulit ke Southwest Khasi Hills District lembat ki wede. Ya ka jingalang la penya de uba ti Marvin, Vice President ka Life Care Foundation, Rehabilitation and Counseling Center, Kinongkran, Kilong Uba P. Wanyang, Menteri Shnong Sohkhyllam, Uba E. Taryang, District Social Welfare Officer, Southwest Khasi Hills District, Badba Renington Lingdo Tongkhar, MLA ka Mawphor Constituency, Badkom President ka Life Care Foundation, Rehabilitation and Counseling Center.
You start from here.
This will be an office for the inmates. This is very good. We have the almirahs for keeping clothes and nice. Colombia, it was also like this. Like the bunk beds and all. Oh. But you need to have some like a proper staff, trained staff. Yes. And all that. That we will actually organize trainings also for you. We have. Emmy is there. Emmy will carry on. Known as Hope of His Class. We have changed the name to Hope of Life with the advice of DCPO, District Child Protection Officer, and officials of Social Welfare Department. We just want to delete the word orphanage, and we have changed it to Hope of Life. So the staff of Hope of Life will be also engaged here till we have the support from the government to appoint new staff. At the moment, we have 2 new staff who will. And also our former DCs here, I think whose contribution again, I think I really appreciate you. So, in fact, the way you did it, it's very, I think, very great gesture actually as a deputy commissioner and encouraging the team to do this kind of work. And this entire thing, the way you constructed with such a cost is again amazing thing for the state. I think that indicates that, like, I think if anything is done by the community, given to the community, is done so well. I think that's where most of the government programs now, state government programs, the state government is actually actively trying to involve the local communities. For example, this MGNREJ, National Rural Employment Guarantee Program. So that is actually given to the village communities, VECs, and they're doing beautiful work. I think I heard the road is also constructed by the VEC here. So similarly, the village health councils, now they're constructing the health sub-centers. So state government really has come out with the idea of actually involving the communities in the development programs. So we call it community-driven development programs, community-driven development. So the community-driven development is one of the important approach the state government has taken, and under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sangmaji,
I think I wanted to tell you this is why it's so happy for us, because when this program for because when we are hearing that a lot of this substance use users, actually substance users are actually increasing in the state, or it has become a cause of concern, then the state government has decided that we need to bring a mission to really address this problem. We cannot actually keep silent, or keep observing. We should actually proactively go and say that there is a problem, mobilize all the communities, mobilize all the stakeholders. Like Life Care Foundation is one of the best examples. Like, mobilize the civil society organizations, how actually we can address this problem collectively. So that's why the state government actually has brought a very important program called Dream. In fact, you must be knowing this. Dream is a very beautiful name. Dream is drug basically reduction and elimination mission. So idea is that we should slowly eliminate this drug use, because this is like a devastating. It actually can disrupt the families and really cause so much problem to the society. I really appreciate the Makurwat, the well-intended, the people behind this initiative. I think, including our honorable MLA and all the members of the Life Care Foundation, for thinking of this one. So that, because you saw the problem in Makurwat, you thought like how actually this can be addressed. So you started working on this one. I think this is something very appreciable. I think that way actually we can, in fact, the substance use, they require special support. They require special training. That's what I was asking you about it. So how much time it would take? In fact, some countries, what they do, they put 1 month, inside the center, provide everything, and then every month they come for counseling and other things. So depending upon, we'll also come up with proper trainings and all. Like, I think we definitely, the state government would definitely will support and all the initiatives of this center. And this will be I think the way it is constructed, it looks like a very model center. I can see, we saw other centers also, but like the way it has been constructed, it's beautifully constructed. Now it is going to be managed beautifully. That's what our aspiration, and we will support whatever it takes, and from the state side. In fact, our Honorable Minister, Shri Bapa Lindo, also has been very, much, in fact, encouraging, especially civil society organizations, to take up these initiatives. In fact, the Darbar of Mawlai has done some center recently, along with the local foundation.